Hello, hello, hello! It's me, Jimakora. Great people, we are here in TRX, Malaysia. We are on the top of TRX. They call it a garden. They call it TRX Park. Wow, not bad. It's so beautiful. Yeah, here, so beautiful. Look at that. Wow, it's very beautiful. Here's Harrison. Hey, it's so nice. Sun's shine bright. God, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, hello, hello. Beautiful. Even the colors, so beautiful. Yeah. Wow.
Kasih tak cantik. Tapi kalau kau jalan pusing ke sana cantik.
It's so nice.
Jalan ke sana.
Look at that. Listen, say hi. Hi. Wow, look at that. Shake Shack. Wow. We are on top, guys. Wow. Not bad. I think maybe in the evening it's so nice over here. Okay, guys. See you on top. So I think we're going down. Okay. It's a beautiful place, guys. As you can see, we are on top. It's beautiful. Okay, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye, bye, bye. Do not forget, comment down below and subscribe. Bye. It's me, Jim